Hello everyone. In today's Photoshop tutorial, I will give my text a silver effect and we will see how it will look like. So first of all, I will type my text in. I will press T on my keyboard and now I will type silver. My font is Taliches and the color I have selected is this. Okay. Now I will enlarge this by pressing Shift and Alt. Now I will double click on the layer and after that I will go into bevel and emboss. You see that my effect is applied because I have already done it, but you will find it here. It will be like here. So first of all, increase the depth and now increase the size. What the size do is that it emerges into the text. The more you do, it will more emerge. The less we do, the more sharp it becomes. For me, I like this one. You can have your own style. Don't soften it, keep it as hard, and you can work with depth and you can do any you like. Now press OK. Now I will show you the effect which has been applied. I will press Alt and backspace. This will apply the foreground color on the background and you can see it is looking well pretty. So this was today's tutorial. Hope you have liked it. See you in the next video. Bye.